Actress Sonam Kapoor, who will be heading to Cannes for the Cannes Film Festival this year, will sport a chic Elie Saab outfit which is exclusively designed for her this year. Sonam, the country's most celebrated fashionista, has always been known for her sense of fashion and impeccable style. And Sonam's friends say that this year she will definitely turn heads at the film festival. हाल ही में हुई हंसल मेहता की फिल्म सिटी लाइट्स की खास स्क्रीनिंग। इस मौके पर सबसे खास बात रही आलिया भट्ट की प्रेजेंस, who had come along with Mr. Bhatt and was looking really excited to be a part of the screening. फिल्म की लीड कास्ट राजकुमार राव और पत्रलेखा भी इस स्क्रीनिंग पर नजर आए। Vidya Balan makes sure that media can't reach her, as Vidya had clearly given instructions to the PR team that media interaction should not be kept, as she was sure that questions on her pregnancy and troubled marriage were bound to be asked. इसीलिए उन्होंने ये फैसला किया कि किसी भी मीडिया पर्सन से वो बात नहीं करने वाली, और ये सब हुआ रिसेंटली एक इवेंट पर। There is a rage over Shah Rukh and Aamir that they are leaving India over Modi's election. Fake images from the stars' official handles of social networking sites suggest that they will leave India as Modi is PM now. This has left fans angry and fuming over such fake messages from the stars like Shah Rukh and Aamir, and now the accounts are being circulated. And how these images are being circulated from these accounts. Though the BJP has made clear that none of the stars have ever said that. सुभाष घई के फिल्म इंस्टीट्यूट में हाल ही में एक सेमिनार ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया था। इस मौके पर बॉलीवुड से नजर आई विद्या बालन, रेखा और डायरेक्टर हंसल मेहता। ये सब खास सुभाष घई के स्पेशल इनविटेशन पर आए थे। Salman Khan's clothing line goes Europe. Clothes and accessories made under Salman's NGO banner will now be available in Europe also. सलमान खान ने स्पेशली इस प्रोडक्ट के लिए एक वेबसाइट भी लॉन्च की है, जहां ये प्रोडक्ट्स अवेलेबल होंगे। बता दें, his business has expanded into 21 Euro nations. Well, इसे कहते हैं पत्नी के लिए प्यार होना. As per sources, Arbaz Khan is trying to create a situation for Malaika's item number in his next film, as the fans are asking again and again for Malaika's item number in Dolly Ki Dolly, and therefore Arbaz has started thinking about it. राखी सावंत ने हाल ही में रिसेंटली कंक्लूडेड इलेक्शंस में हुई अपनी हार को स्वीकार किया है। उन्होंने अपनी गलती मानी कि उन्होंने बीजेपी को ज्वाइन नहीं किया, और ये मौका उन्होंने अपने हाथ से जाने दिया। राखी ने जूम से खास बातचीत में ये भी बताया कि इस इलेक्शन में उन्होंने अपनी जेब से 50 से 60 लाख रुपए खर्च भी किए। Apparently, Muzammil Ibrahim was offered Aditya Roy Kapoor's role in Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, but because Muzammil had dated Deepika in the past, he did not think it was going to be comfortable shooting together, and especially since her other ex Ranbir Kapoor was also a part of the movie. When asked about this, Muzammil confirms the fact that Ayan had approached him for the role, but avoids stating the reason. Vidya Jamal goes retro in Yara, inspired from the 70s Robert De Niro and Al Pacino looks. De Niro's long hair look that he sported at the 1981 Oscars and Pacino's slick Godfather look is what the two references are. To ensure that the two looks are well represented, Tigmanshu has asked Vidya to grow his hair and beard for initial schedule and then to maintain the slick back look for the rest.